Your Honor, I bring you evidence of my client's innocence.
Objection!
Your Honor, it is common knowledge that a Ditto is a human-made Pokemon. There is no way my client's species could have been in existence in the distant past, when the boundaries between Pokemons and human were still blurred. Counter objection! The time rifts are a known thing in the Pokemon series. It is an inciting plot incident for the Pokemon Legends Arceus, after all. It would make sense that Dittos from the future fell through the time rifts and wound up in the past. Hold it! It can be seen in Legends Arceus that any Pokemon that appears in the time rifts are brought back to the present day once the rift ends. The short time a rift appears is not long enough for the events of that legend to take place. Your client was at the Diddy party. You're all going under the premise of a Pokemon shape shifting into another Pokemon, but you're all ignoring a far more likely scenario, a person dressing as a Pokemon. Why the hell would a person disguised as a Pokemon that's disguising as a human to abduct a child? That's unnecessarily complicated. It was probably to make it easier to get with a victim, after all. Because most people would like to try to get their victims to like them before they do their crimes. It seems all of you have forgotten about a certain Pokemon, another capable of shapeshifting than Ditto. We know because of the movies that some legendaries can shapeshift it, like Latias. We also know that the Pokemon Zorua capable of shapeshifting. We can just narrow it down to one. That is true, however. This had to happen in Johto or Kanto, and the only shapeshifter there would be a Ditto, which technically was and wasn't even supposed to be there. Not so fast. As I mentioned, the legendary Pokemon also apply, and Kanto is about 4 in this era. And Johto only about 2 or 6 depending if the tower incident already happened. We know Mew can shapeshift as well as other minor legendary Pokemon. True. However, only shapeshifters besides Mew would unironically be Mewtwo, which hasn't even been made by the time of this incident. We've never even seen the birds Beast or Ho-Oh and Lugia shapeshift. The unknown created a fake Entei which could shapeshift just as a Latias. And then there was also the fact that it could have been Mew. People know a Pokemon known for having the DNA of all other Pokemon. Enough! The judge has found the defendant Typhlosion guilty!